Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Remove the battery and set the hands to a known reference so you can realign later. Once done, open the bezel or lift the glass carefully and lay the face on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Make a small mark at 12 o'clock if needed. This prevents misalignment. Then identify the center shaft, the securing nut, and the order of parts. Make sure to keep screws and washers grouped so you don't lose them. You now remove the hands. Hold the dial steady and pull the minute hand straight up, keeping pressure low and even so you don't bend it. Next, lift the hour hand off its tapered hub and finally remove the seconds pin or nut. Clean around the center post to ensure smooth seating. Debris can cause drag. When installing new hands, press them straight down onto their respective shafts, checking for parallelism and enough clearance from the dial and each other. Finish by reinstalling the hands using your original reference mark, so 12 aligns correctly. Tighten the retaining nut just enough to hold them without pinching. Once done, replace the glass and battery, then set the time slowly and watch the hands pass each other through a full 12-hour cycle to confirm clearance. If you see stalling or rubbing, remove the bezel and check alignment. A tiny bend or reseating of the hour hand usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.